Hey, what's up guys, it's your boy back here again with another video. So today's video is going to be about making thumbnails on iOS devices. These devices do include iPhones, iPads, and iPods, anything with an app store. With those three devices, you guys should be able to install this app. The application I will be talking about is free. You don't need to purchase anything throughout this video, so it's going to be a free tutorial for all of you guys. Link in the description to click the app, or you can just look it up in the App Store. And before we do get started, I do have some announcements for you guys. So I'm giving a shout out to my Discord server. A couple of us own it, such as Apple Tech Video and me are basically the moderators of it. We're on 24/7 active every single day, waiting to talk to some new fans or loyal viewers or anyone who is a content creator. So if you guys are interested, please click the link in the description. Join. We'll be active all the time. And for my last announcement, shout out for actives. Now I have started this series a while ago, which is a shout out for actives. I will be giving shout outs only to the people who comment all the time on my videos, who like all that cool stuff, and as well as on my Twitter. I have two actives, one for YouTube and one for Twitter. If you guys do want to win one of those, look at the rules in the description and you guys should be good to go. To the right of my screen, you guys can see the actives that have been active so far. So if you guys want to be up on there to get a free shout out for your channel, be sure to follow the instructions in the description. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys do enjoy. Let's get started. Alright, as you guys can see, we are on iPhone cam now. So look at my nice wallpaper. Hope you guys do enjoy. If you guys do want that wallpaper, it's in the description. All you have to do is click it. It's called Daily Wallpaper of the Day. All you have to do is save it and add it as your wallpaper. So what you guys want to do is go ahead straight into the App Store and look up the app Fonto. Once you look up this app Fonto, install it. It's actually free in the App Store, which is pretty cool. Once you're in Fonto, once you open it up, you do have little banner ads up there, like little pizza and stuff, but it's fine as long as it's free and you guys can make your thumbnails. It should be good to go. So what you guys want to do is go straight into Safari, look up color gradient by 1080. This is basically the resolution you guys will be using for that's the thumbnails. So they have two resolutions they can take, but this is the best one because it's the best quality. So now what you guys want to do is choose one of these. Once you've chosen one, hold it down, click save image, and you should be done with that. What you guys will need is some content. So depending on what you're going to do, you're going to look up your images here and you're going to go ahead and put them in there. So let's go to Fonto. Let's go ahead and add it. So what you guys need to do is add it right here from the camera. So we guys add from here. Photo albums. Once you add it, you should be good, but after that, don't use this anymore. Don't use the little camera icon anymore, because for some reason every time you tap it, it's gonna erase everything you have and it's gonna change your background. So what you guys need to do is use this little button right down there to add more stuff. I'll show you that right now. So we're gonna go ahead and add it. Show you guys in a sec. Alright guys, now you click done. You guys should be here. Here's your nice cool thumbnail. All you have to do to add text is tap it, click add text. Let's say I'm making a video on Tweakbox, so there you go. Make sure each of these letters are capital. Make sure you want to make sure they look awesome and clean. So click done. You can change all the fonts and cool stuff like that, but I'm gonna just leave it like that. Let's move it around. Okay, we got some. Let's make it a little bigger. As you can see, it made it a little bigger. Let's add a tilt. A tilt kind of looks cool. Oof, you're living like Larry. Check that out. Now what you guys want to do is add some content. Now I usually make tutorials on certain applications, so I'm gonna add a logo for Tweakbox. Okay, let's say I want the Tweakbox logo, so let's say Tweakbox PNG. Now basically what a PNG means is it has no background. Now the way you know it has no background is not because it's white, but because it has checkers, like that little checker board in the back. You guys can see that is a PNG, has no background. So what you guys want to do is hold it down, wait for that little save image to pop out, click save image, and it should be added to your camera roll. Now go back into Fonto. Let's go ahead and add it with this button. Remember this one, don't use this one, use this one. So click add image right there. Click done once you add it. Now let's change up the size because it's looking a little sus. So let's make it smaller. Oof, that's looking chill. Alright, let's add another one. Let's try adding an arrow from Safari. Let's see if we can find a chill one. Like that one. Any one of these, make sure they have the checker background. Now before you tap it and you save it, make sure it loads up, or else so you can have the full quality of the image, or also look all dusty. Let's do the same for the arrow. Saved it. Let's go ahead and add it from here. Add image. Alright, now let's tap the arrow. Okay. Okay. Bring the nice here. Alright, we're chilling. So tap the arrow, click the size, let's make it a little smaller. Alright. Now let's add a tilt. You always gotta add tilt to these things. Make it look. Oop, let's make that go up. Okay, that's looking chill. I think that's too much of a tilt. Okay, I'm just keep it as 0. Make it look OG. Alright. Change up the size. Just depending on how you want it is basically how it's gonna be done. So for these tutorials, I always add like an iPhone to make it look cool. So let me add an iPhone. Alright, now that I added a different one because that one's kind of boo-boo. So let me make it a little bigger. Make sure it doesn't go outside, because if it goes outside for some reason it thinks it's a part of the image and it'll change it up. I don't think it'll cut it off unless you like define the size and stuff and settings and all that before you get started. So let me make it small. Okay, well, that's basically it. It's very simple thumbnail we got going on here, but hey, it's very simple and it's very easy. At least you can be looking clean as long as you are on your iOS device. So all you do is click this to save it. So tap that, click save image. See, again, PNG image, that means that it has no background, so make sure you have the save image. And that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys did enjoy, guys. I will be having more of these, maybe a live stream in the future, so stay tuned. My live streams are on Friday and Sunday. I have canceled them for the past week, but I will be back on them. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys did enjoy. Please leave a fat like for me down below. Alright guys, have a good one.